washing your face with it. Spend about 2 to 3 minutes on your face with it, and then you rinse off. Now, to keep my skin clean and clear from pigmentation, I like to use a skin brightening remedy once per week. This remedy I use on my skin to clear my skin of dark spots, pimples, blackhead, marking, and to keep it clean and clear. However, I also like when my skin is tight and firm, so I also do a skin tightening remedy. Today, however, I'm going to make a remedy that can do both. This remedy can help to clear the skin of pigmentation while tightening and firming the skin. So if you want to try a home remedy that actually works to keep your skin not only free from hyperpigmentation but also tight and firm and take years off you, 10 years or so, then follow me to the kitchen. We're going to whip this up really quick, and at the end I'm going to share a live demonstration showing you how to use this for best result. For this recipe, you're going to need a blender or a grater, and you're also going to need a strainer. My first ingredient is potato, and I'm using the potato for its skin brightening properties. Potato will help to clear pigmentation from the skin, get rid of old scars, new scars, acne scars. It also contains starch, which will help to tighten and firm the skin. What I'm going to do first is to extract the potato juice. To extract the potato juice, we need to start by peeling the potato. Potato also contain an ingredient known as catecholase, and catecholase, when chilled, will also help to further clear pigmentation from the skin. Now here is the peeled potato. At this stage, you can choose to grate the potato or you can choose to blend the potato. I am going to be blending. Now since I'm using a small blender, I'm going to chop the potato in small pieces for easier blending. So now that our potato is chopped, let's add it to the blender. Now here in the blender, we have the chopped potato, and we're going to add a second ingredient to the blender along with the potato. Now take a look at my next ingredient. Today I have lime and I also have lemon. These two are rich in citric acid. Citric acid is really vitamin C, and vitamin C will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. When you use vitamin C on the skin, it also will help to boost the collagen production and keep your skin looking clean, clear, and fresh looking. So what we're going to use from this is the peel. So we're going to reach for our blender. We're just going to peel our lemon. This is basically the zest of the lemon. So you can choose to grate it if you wish. But since I'm going to be blending, I'm just going to peel. And we're doing the same thing for the lime. Now if you do not have lime, you can omit it. Or if you do not have lemon, you can omit it. Use either or both. So here it is. We have our lemon peel and we also have the lime peel. We're going to add this to the blender. Right now in our blender, we have potato, we have lime peel, and we have lemon peel. So what we're going to do next, we're going to reach for some aloe vera for this recipe. If you have fresh aloe vera, that's the way to go. No fresh aloe vera, go ahead and use, your store-bought. Aloe vera also contains skin brightening properties, which will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. So we're using about a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. Here in our blender, we have potato, we have lemon and lime peel, and we also have some aloe vera gel. So now let's blend. Now after blending, take a look. Here we have our potato mixture. Now let's reach Let's strain. Now take a look. Here is our potato, nice and smooth. We strain this to make sure that we do not have any lumps in it. So this is potato, lemon, lime zest, and aloe vera gel. And now we're going to add a few more ingredients to this. My next ingredient is honey, and we're using honey for its antibacterial properties. Honey will also help to hydrate the skin and lock that moisture in the skin. We're using about a teaspoon of the honey, just about a teaspoon. And next we're reaching for some oil. Today I'm going to use coconut oil. However, you can choose to use grapeseed oil. You can choose to use avocado oil. You can use sweet almond oil. Just use the oil of choice. I chose coconut oil because it is one of the better oil to help to get rid of pigmentation on the skin, clear dark spots and blemishes. So I'm using a small amount, around about a teaspoon of the coconut oil. Pour that in. And now we're going to mix this in. Just blend it in the potato mixture. Mix well. Make sure to completely dilute the honey on the coconut oil. And now this is ready. However, before you use this, I suggest you place it in the refrigerator to chill, because when it's chilled, it activates the catecholase, which is the main ingredient to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. So cover and place it in your refrigerator for about an hour. It's good. Now take a look. Here it is after it has been chilled, and this is what we're going to use to basically wash our face. You can use it as a facial wash, or you can use it as a facial mask. The way I like to do it, I like to basically wash my face with it first, like I'm showing here, all over. And then once you're done exfoliating, you're going to go back in and you're going to be generous with it, apply it all over your face, and then you're going to leave it on for 30 minutes. This is going to further help to brighten the skin. After 30 minutes, just rinse off, preferably with some cold water, pat dry the skin, and apply your favorite skincare product.